Hi friends, this is Santosh Kumar. I am having 2 years of experience in C language. So today we will see the introduction to C language. So first of all, we have to see before the year 1950, before year 1960, or else I can say that before the year 1960, in world market, there are four languages exists. Basic, COBOL, Pascal, Fortran. At that time, basic used for general purpose applications. COBOL used for commercial applications. Pascal used for mathematical applications. And Fortran used for scientific applications. So in 1950s, so this is the scenario. There is four languages available in the year 1950s. So for example, now I need a language to develop general purpose plus commercial plus mathematical applications. Means I have to go for these three languages: basic, COBOL and Pascal. So at that time it is a drawback. So just tell me, so for example, take any example. If any software company is there, means they have to develop not only specific application, they have to develop all types of application. So they have to develop all types of application. So for example, if I want to develop just commercial, mathematics, scientific, means we have to learn three languages. So at that time it is very difficult to learn all the languages. So in 1960, at that time, they have to develop one single language. Which should capable of doing all the application. That is CPL. CPL stands for Commercial Programming Language. CPL is failed. So CPL is failed, but actually it is invented in 1960s. CPL is invented in 1960s. It is failed. Again, after some years, they developed one more language, BCPL, that is Basic Commercial Programming Language. So this BCPL is failed. Why this BCPL failed means, to learn this BCPL language, it is taking more than 1.5 year. So just assume, if to learn one language, if it is taking 1.5 year, means what about updates? So for that time, at that time, the people rejected this language. No people went for this BCPL language. Simply we can say that it is also failed. So next, again after few years, in 1962, in Bell Laboratories, Dennis Ritchie, he is telecom engineer. He is telecom engineers in USA. Developed one language. USA developed one language, that is B language. That is B language. Okay. So after developing this B language, he actually some modifications are there. One of his junior, he is Ken Thompson, in the same company. So Ken Thompson advised, given some suggestions to Dennis Ritchie. So finally we can say that Ken Thompson, Dennis Ritchie developed C language in 1960s.